How to change business to creator account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can actually change your business to creator account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Instagram has an option called professional account. Inside professional account you have got business account and creator account, and if you have a business account you want to switch to a creator account, that's also quite simple. Open up Instagram, come to the profile page from the bottom right, tap on the three lines option from the top right and go to settings and privacy. From here you can see creator tools and controls. Now if you had business account you would say business tools and controls, right? In my case I have a creator account. If you had business you will find that option, and then over there you'll find option called switch account type. So when you tap on the switch account type option, if you had a business account you'd find the option to switch to creator account, but because in my case I have a creator account, I'm finding the option to switch to business account. So depending upon what is it that you want to do, just select that and then you will be able to switch your account. This way you will be able to switch from business to creator account on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.